What, 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 what?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to do another haul, but today's haul is a thrift store haul. And as you guys know, mostly, or hopefully some of you guys know, I shop at Salvation Army. I don't really go to Goodwill anymore. Here in Florida, or the ones that I go to, the Goodwill prices aren't that great. I might as well shop retail. So Salvation Army is where I tend to go. And I don't know, some of these things, I don't think I know any of the prices anymore, so I'm just going to skip out on that part. If the prices are important to you guys, leave a comment below and I'll make sure that I keep track next time. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and start into the haul. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to start off with is an item. Sorry, I have to reach to the floor because all of them fell. This long wool coat, and it's not really practical for us here in Florida. We did get a few cold days and I was able to wear it 3 times, so I did get my money's worth. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or if I'm going to end up donating it back, but I do like it. I also enjoy that it has this belt right here. I got a lot of compliments about the belt, so I didn't know that was an important thing on coats, but it adds structure and it looks really good. This is the next piece. It's another blazer, obviously. Blazers are my favorite things to haul during the season. But I've been seeing a lot of blazers worn like this in people's hauls on YouTube. And I'm not sure where they're buying it from, but maybe if I find them, I'll leave a link. This one is by Ellen Tracy. And it has these buttons right here on the bottom. And yeah, it looks actually really nice. It has these pockets here that are actually real. That previous blazer, the pockets were not real. And this one button. And I actually like to wear this with like a white shirt and some ripped jeans and some black heels. Next up, we have another favorite piece. I guess because I purchased these, they're all my favorite pieces. But anyway, this is a blazer by 9 West. And I love the color. My goal was to wear a black shirt with white writing on it with black ripped jeans, but I haven't found one yet. So I'll keep hunting for that. But this is a size 4. Not sure if that matters. But when I do wear it, I do like that the lapel kind of folds over this way sometimes. It looks actually really chic. And yeah, it's pretty simple. So next up is this brown skirt, and I can't actually show it to you too well, so I'll do a cutaway. But I believe it's supposed to be high-waisted. If it's not, that's how I'm wearing it. Otherwise, it won't fit. But this is by Donna Morgan, and it's petite, so that now that makes more sense. But it's really cute worn high-waisted with like a black crop top, or if you want to tuck in like maybe a black or white turtleneck and some nahi and some, what do you call those things? Oh, knee-high boots. It would be really cute. I actually don't have any black knee-high boots, but we'll figure out another way to style it. So I'm trying to get away from wearing all black or just black and jeans. I found that I've kind of gotten into this routine of wearing a uniform basically when I really don't need to. So I've gotten these cargo jeans, which I didn't think, these aren't jeans, cargo pants, which I didn't think would fit me. They are a size medium by contrast, but they actually fit. Now I do like that it has these zippers down here on the side, and the way that the sewing is done makes your legs look a little bit slimmer, like this little cut right here. Anyway, I'll show it to you in a cutaway. And are these pockets real? Pockets are real. But yeah, some nice cargo jeans with a jean jacket maybe. Some sneakers, some white Converse. What shirt? I don't know. We'll figure that out. I'll do a lookbook soon. We'll figure it out. It's a shirt by Banana Republic, and it is a size 12, which is way too big for me. But I really like the quality of it. And then it has this exposed zipper in the back that's gold. Not that you would probably see that because I'll probably wear a leather jacket over it. But yeah, I do like this. I like that the white parts, it's not gonna make any sense. I like that the white section is thicker than the black section. Like, is this black or is it blue? So, I don't know. Anyway, I have this rule, like if the white part is bigger than the black part, then I can wear brown with it. I know some people are completely against wearing brown with black and white stripes, but I think I can pull it off. we'll see. What do you guys think? Do you guys ever mix your black and white stripes with different colors other than, you know, your pop of color? Like, do you put black and white with brown? Next up is not very winter friendly. I'm aware, but it is this pink shirt, and it probably should be an undershirt, but I'm gonna wear it as a shirt underneath the jacket. And where's this by? It's by Studio 1940, and it's a size 18-20, which is big. But I like the way it sits. It's really flouncy, and yeah, I think it'll look nice with a pair of jeans, some heels, maybe a pencil skirt. Yeah, really nice. I know it's not cold appropriate, but it's gonna work. All right, so last two items. This is something that is completely out of my comfort zone, and that's why it still has a tag on it. It was originally $4.99. I got it for half off, and this is by Ann Taylor Loft, and it's a size small. So I really love the color of it, but the only problem is that it's what do you call it? One of those A-line dresses, so it doesn't really show what I want to show. Like, it doesn't cinch in the waist. But I think if I wear a jacket over it, which I'll have to during the season, that it'll still give me that structure that I'm looking for. But yeah, nice dress. And lastly is another dress by Lauren Conrad. And I haven't worn this either, so don't judge me. This is $3.99, so it was half off of that, and it actually doesn't look that great as a dress, which is why I'm showing it to you open. But it looks really nice as a jacket, like if you wear all black, which I know I'm trying to get away from, but until then, wearing all black with this will look really nice. It kind of gives that flowy, I don't know, light jacket look. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this haul. Again, I have many more items to showcase with you guys, but I didn't want to overwhelm you with all the items in one video. Let me know what you guys think. Are there any items in there that you liked or that you would like to see paired with certain things? Also, what do you think about that what I wore in a week video? And yeah, thank you so much to the new subbies. After I did that Tracy Ellis Ross video, I got some new subscribers, and I returned a lot of the items, so thanks for your advice. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.